What's up, traders? Julian here from JLewisTrading.com doing a quick market review on OTLK. This was the mover for the day. We weren't too sure pre-market how this thing was going to work out. Couldn't really find a catalyst to push this. In fact, yesterday it was actually down 15.5%. But today, pre-market, it started to rally very, very hard and turned out to be a pretty nice gap and go. Now, as all the bootcamp guys that are just coming out of the program know, this is that pre-market area that we're looking for to give us that nice setup into the market. Now, what we're looking at here is a 5-minute chart. And what I did here was I was actually looking at this to do a little bit of a dip buy off of that pre-market high. So you can see that pre-market high was sitting here at 135. Price action kind of stepped down a little bit lower into that cash market. And what I was looking at in terms of an entry was a breakout point right through here in the low 120s area. So I was taking a shot right through here. You can see that momentum indicator, the MACD histogram, turned up and pushed price action through trendline resistance right there on some volume. So at this point, we are in this trade, and this thing is moving up nicely right out of the gate. And we get a little bit of a bull flag off of the VWAP right through here. Price action steps higher. Then it takes a little bit of a break. Now, we're not too worried at this point as our stop loss was actually right down through here at 120. Only putting on about 5 cents of risk. It's a really, really nice trade. And then what we're looking at right through here is you can see that price action took a little bit of a break and moved along that VWAP. Didn't lose really any power at all. Took out this previous cash market high in this, what is this, 140 area right through here. And then price action pushed very, very hard up into that 170 level. The market is actually still open and this thing is still going. We are long gone and out of this trade. But you can see that we had that really nice setup. It was actually a gap and go. It held all of its moving averages, the 200, the 50, held that VWAP once it crossed, punched through that 125 level, bull flag right through here, set a high, 139, pulled back, took it out again, and saw about a 170 high before it started to sell off. And this is the area that we were dumping this position. So all in all, OTLK, it's currently up 73.6%. Like I said, market's still open. This is still moving. But for the day, this is not bad. It's a welcome trade considering that the low floats have been few and far between lately. A lot of volatility out there. And we are on the back end, at the very, very tail end, I should say, of earnings. And these low float trades should be coming back to us. But OTLK was a nice way to kick it off. Again, right in through this breakout, right through here, punched up, and it went to work up until about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Hope some of this has helped. If you have any questions, you can email me, info@jlewistrading.com. Again, this is a strategy that I teach in the bootcamp. If you're curious about the bootcamp, there are actually going to be links below that you can click, and you can get involved with our email list to get involved with when we're actually going to be launching the bootcamp again. We've got a class starting on the 29th of May, which is in about 2.5 weeks. We are totally full there. We are starting to build the waiting list for the following month because we run about 5 weeks. If you want some insight into how our bootcamp students are doing, in the video description box below, you're also going to get 2 links to some interviews from some past students. One is a mentoring student of mine, and another one is a bootcamp student who has just finished the program. And before he was even done, he was already making money in the market. Check it out. The link is going to be below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, I'm at info@jlewistrading.com. Thanks for watching.